4 614 checking National Panasonic 2-band radio and checking the model number. Model number is this 614 Japan 2-band radio. Japan 2-band radio 614 is done. 615 Sony ICF. Sony ICF 615. Yeah, this one is slim, very slim radio, 12-band radio. Sony 615 ICF 7601. Sony ICF 7601 done. Sony ICF Grundig MYB. Grundig MYB. DL085. This is, which number is this? Which number is this? 616. 616 should be Grundig. Pause the video and search. With 616, there was a printing error. So 616 is Philips DL085. Confirming it. 616 Philips DL085. It is done, and we are keeping it here. 617 is again Philips ML15. 617 Philips and DL841 8-band radio, not ML15, it is DL841. 617 Philips DL841. Yes, CL DL841 Philips 617 confirm. 618 Kachibo HKK. 618 is
KK
Kachibo HKK. 618 is Kachibo KK978. Kachibo KK978 618 confirm. 619 Morphy Richard SCR. 619 Morphy Richard SCR. 619 is Morphy Richards SCR 2-band travel alarm clock radio. 619 confirming. 620 Sony ICF. 620 Sony I620 is Sony ICF MICF 7601. This is 620 and this 620 and confirming the model. ICF SW11. ICF SW11. Okay, confirming and keeping. Confirming in the list. 620 Sony MTR.
Mistake.
MTR 4400. 621 Sony, and we have to confirm the model number while opening it. So confirming the model number, Sony TR4400. This is the model number, Sony TR4400. Yes. So we have done with Sony MTR 4400 21. We are approaching the record now because we are on 622 number. 622 is Sokol. Yeah, it is written Sokol and USSR. This is USSR radio, unique one. So confirming it. 623 is Sangeet MSG. MSG is the short form of Messenger of God. So I think God is helping us, like gaining this record. 623 is Sangeet SG789A. So confirming it from this Sangeet 623 MSG 789A 623. So putting it back into its pouch. 623. I have put and kept it here. This is 623 done. Okay, 623 done.
624.
Now 624. Isicom AM FM clock radio 624. This is a unique radio 624. And now we have reached that beautiful number 625. And we call him. Call him. 624 is done. Okay. Now 625 number. Call him and let him hand over this radio 625 and then 626. 625 pause after 620. This is so 625th radio, and at this number we are now equivalent to the Guinness Book of World Record as mentioned in that book. So 625 we have achieved that level. 625 MPR 1000 is the model number. So confirming it from back, MPR 1000 is the model number. So 625, so model number is not written correct, it should be SRF. So this model number was written again here, so it was a printing mistake. SRF 18, it is done now. We will be editing this list. So Sony SRF 18 625 we have achieved. So we are now equivalent to the Guinness Book of World Record. We have counted and collected that much radios, and 626 will be the new record number radio. So keeping it in here, 625 showing it as 625. This one is the 625th radio is 625. So now we are pausing that video and the record. Now we are going to pause this video, and that record person will hand over the record attempt radio 627th one. 626 we have already done, so we are calling him and he will be handing over that record video 627. Where is that read? 627th radio.
627 is there. It is 626.
620, yeah 625 we have done, so 6 he will be handing over as 626th radio, no? So we are going up to him. T550, yes, 626 radio. Come, keep the video on. Keep the video on. Don't pause. This is the 626th radio, and you have already broken the record. So we are going to clap for him. Harshit, we have already broke the Guinness Book of World Record, and this is the 626th radio. Harshit, come here. 626, this is the record attempt radio. The record has already been broken. 626 is the number of this radio, and Guinness Book of World Record is for 625 radios. So this is a very proudful moment for us. His name is Ram Singh Bodh, and we are from Buddhanagar, Gajraula, and this is the Uttar Pradesh state of India. So this is the World Radio Day. We have been counting it regularly, and still the count has to go. We have more than 1500 radios, and we will be confirming it from both the list and the list sent, and the actual verification what is going on through video. We are showing the number, count number, the company name and the model name. So confirming each and everything with even the photo itself. So we are very much delighted, and some hard work of ours is paying to us, like paying to our mind, like some fruitfulness and some pursuit of happiness is occurring like this. So we will continue the rest of the count now. With 627 is confirmed now. Come, bring that video. 627 model number TR3550. So 627 model number TR3550. TR355. So 626 is Sony Hong Kong TR355C. So this is Sony TR3550. This one TR3550. So this is done 626 Sony. So I think this is made in Hong Kong, that's why it is written. Yeah, made in Hong Kong radio. This is like confirming it. Yeah, made in Hong Kong. That's why it was written in list about 626 Hong Kong radio. So now we'll be moving on to 625. Now come before that chart. उसके आगे खड़ा होना बैंड के आगे इसे लेके come now.
We blocked that. We blocked that page. We can't.
Show this all music. We all have been included.
Coming.
So kindly stand here.
Please kindly stand here.
Yes. With this radio, 626 number, we have already broken the record. So we have done this. This is the 626th number radio. We have been counting it since long. So this list we are verifying it, everything from 626 radio Sony Hong Kong TR3550 is the model number, and with the photo. So
Man Ki Baat radio music.
626. His name is Ram Singh Bodh. This is the Hindi version of this banner, and this one is English, and it reads like Man Ki Baat Radio Museum, World Radio Day, 13th of Feb 2024. Radio essential, informing, entertaining, and educating. This theme is set by UNESCO this year for 2024. UNESCO has been celebrating World Radio Day since 2012. Now this year we chose to attempt the record. We have been doing, Mr. Ram Singh Bodh has been doing this, collecting all these radios since 2014, and the main chief inspiration was the Man Ki Baat radio program. This is the radio program. This is monthly radio program by the Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji. So this this inspired him a lot, and he started collecting radios after listening to this program. At International Museum Day also, Prime Minister Narendra Modi proclaimed to set up different type of museum and asked the Indians to do so. So a lot of people are following him, and we are all going by his word to set up different types of museum in India to preserve its rich cultural heritage, to make India a cultural heritage for the world also, to keep the history of India and the world, to keep history of diverse cultures here, to keep history of diverse interest. So under this only, we have taken this attempt. We have attempted to make a museum. So this radio museum proudly thanks everybody who has helped us. So many people have donated radios as well. Those are also being welcomed very much. So it's really a powerful moment. Venue is Siddharth Inter College, Buddhanagar, Gajrola Post, Bhartiagram, District Amroha, Uttar Pradesh, India. Mobile 9412139029. Email mkbmuseum@gmail.com. So Mr. Ram Singh Bodh has attempted this record. He has been praised by Prime Minister himself, and praised by the largest state of India, Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath ji. And it is the 2024 going on. Shri Narendra Modi ji is the Prime Minister of India, and Shri Yogi Adityanath ji is the Chief Minister of the largest state of Uttar Pradesh. They both have already praised Mr. Ram Singh Bodh regarding his radio collection, and they have praised him publicly at TV and in social media. So it was the Man Ki Baat 107th episode in which the praising was done by these persons, and it was really a proudful moment. Again, it is really heartful and proudful both to attempt this record and crack almost. So this video is now being sent to Guinness Book of World Record for proper verification, and then we will be seeing if they verify it and issue us the new world record certificate. So hoping for really great and hoping for best to happen. Thank you everybody. So continuing with our count again, because we have more than 1500 radios. So this is done now. Our short introduction is done. This is the full museum, as you can see. Only those radios have been counting which the racks are open. A lot more are to be counted, yet to be counted. This is the logo of Indian National Broadcasting Agency, Prasar Bharati, Akashvani. Okay. So 627 Akai. 627 is Akai. 627 Akai. Akai radio, and model number is PR1000. PR1000 Akai. So 627 Akai PR1000. 627 done. 628 now.
Sharp.
628 is 628 should be sharp solid state radio. 628 sharp solid state. This one is unique and we are including it. 629 real sound M Sports.
It is a sports edition.
629 real sound sports edition. 629 unique.
It is a flip.
630 EIC RL. 630 EIC RL. 630 Philips. 630 is Philips, not EIC.
It is a army edition.
So we had army edition radio. EIC Philips. EIC radio. 630. 631 is IVA. Bring that 631.
No, 631 नहीं है.
Okay. Pause the video. We have TA 166. So 631 IVA. TA 166 confirm. 632 should be Sony WFX 632. 632 is Sony Megaboss Walkman FM and AM FX323 FX323 632 confirm. 632 confirm. 633 IVA. 633 IVA again, and so we must check the model number for its eligibility. Model number H8, last is 81. IVA. WS 633 IVA. WS 145 confirm. JS 145. This is JS 145. JS 145 confirm. WS not W, it is JS 145. 634 is IVA again. 634 is IVA again. 634 is IVA again. 634 IVA again. TA 163. TA earlier we had TA 166, so now we have TA 163. So confirming this 634 Superbose IVA TA 163. 635 is AR tag stereo. 635 AR tag stereo. AR tag stereo cassette player and radio. 635. It is the frequency meter AM FM. 635 AR tag confirm. 637. 636 moving to 636 is IVA HSRM. 636. This is 636. This is 636. IVA HSRM 226 confirm. 636 confirm. 637 AM FM SG 771. 637. This is 637 AM FM SG 771. The model you can confirm this. Yeah, this is confirmed. 637. Confirming from list also. 637 SG 771. SG 771. Now 638 Sony OM FX 199. 638. This is Sony. This is Sony AM FM. Sony AM FM FX 199 is written here. 199 FX. So it is done. Sony is done. 638 done. 639 G Pass. G Pass GWM 411. So G Pass GMW 411 done. 639. Moving on to 640, we have Misikai MPCR 640. 640 is this we have got. Misikai MPCR 640. MPCR 102 Misikai. MPCR 102 640 done. 641 is Sunny ST 682. 641 should be Sunny ST 682. 641 we should check. So this is 641 ST 682. ST 682 641 done. 642 Elite BB5. 642 Elite BB5. Yes, 642 BBS, not BB5, BBS Elite. So BBS Elite. 642 done. 650 643 is Misikai. 643 is Misikai. 643 is Misikai. 643 is Misikai. Misikai AM FM. We will search later. MPCR 102. MPCR 102 is here. 643. Confirm the model number MPCR 102. And then 644 is Philips AQ. 644 Philips AQ. 644 is Philips AQ 6580. Here it is written AQ 6580. Yes, Philips AQ 6580.
What is the sign of
644.
someone?
Moving on to 645.
Please check this. It has a sign.
645.
190.
645. 645. Sony. Again AM FM plus Walkman. The model should be different. WMFX 193. Yes. Sony 645. Sony 645. FX 193. FX 193. FX 193. There was a printing mistake which I rectified. 646 is Sony WMGX 1000. 646 Sony. 646 is Sony Walkman plus radio. AM FM is written here. And the model number we have to see. We have to check the model number. This is the model number. GX 100. This is in list also. WMGX 100. 646 done. Now 647.
It's a gaming. It's like a gaming.
647 IVA. 647 IVA cross trainer.
Unique.
So it has 18 stations. 18 stations, radio on off button here. So unique radio already. Model number HSSP 500.
649 is missing.
647 we have done. 648 is smart and JL 5000. 648 JL 5000 smart radio. 648 done. So we will be pausing the video and searching